Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Matt, your virtual Fiery self-serve admin central assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can configure pre-authorization amounts for Windcave in self-serve admin central. But first, let me give you a little background information. Windcave configuration has been changed so that instead of using separate pre-authorization and capture amounts, the merchant defines between 1 and 6 pre-authorization amounts in the self-serve admin central host. The customer now chooses from the configured pre-authorization amounts before they tap or insert their credit card. The M600 performs a pre-authorization for that amount and allows the customer to perform work up to that value. The customer can choose the amount that best matches the work they intend to perform. So, let's get started. Open the Windcave payment configuration screen under Configuration, then Global, then Payment, and then Windcave. Now click Edit. Remember, edit the existing value to be the lowest pre-authorization amount you want to define. Pre-authorization amounts must be entered in full dollar values. If you want to add additional pre-authorization amounts, click Add another pre-authorization amount and enter the second lowest value you want to define. Note, pre-authorization amounts will be presented to the customer on the M600 screen in the order they are entered. You can repeat step 4 to enter up to 6 pre-authorization amounts. Now that you have added your pre-authorization amounts, click Save to complete the configuration process. And that is how you configure pre-authorization amounts for Windcave in Self-Serve Admin Central. Thanks for watching.